Yeah, see here. First question is show that 9 power n plus 7 is divisible by 8. Okay. Second question is what is the remainder when 5 power 99 divisible by 13? Third question, if n is a positive integer, show that it is divisible by 7. Such type of questions whenever you have, what you have to do is take this one. So what you have 9 power n plus 7. Okay, substitute n is equal to 1. What I will get? 9 plus 7. How much it is? 16 I will get. Array, on kiya? Yeah. Next, n is equal to I substitute 2. What I will get? 9 square plus 7. How much? 81 plus 7. 88. Like, see, I am telling shortcut method. I am not explaining the binomial here. We can use the binomial. By binomial we can prove it. But it's time taking process. And JE purpose not required that much. Just find the LCM of 16 and 88. What is the LCM of 16 and 88? And so if you take here 8 table 2 1 1, no, shortcut method, yeah, 88 and 16. What is the GCD of 68? 16 88, right? How many times 16 table? 16 5s are 80. 16 5s are how much? 80. What is the remainder? 8. So here 8 again you divide by 16. 8 2s are how much? 16. Remainder 0. Shortcut method is what? Whenever you have such kind of questions without using binomial theorem, shortcut method is substitute n is equal to 1. You got 16. N is equal to 2. And find the GCD. HCF, you know na, class 10th you did. HCF of these two numbers. What is the HCF of? HCF of 16 and 88. There are three methods to find HCF. So one of the method is division method. Another method is what we have? Factorization method. Prime factorization method. So you can use any of them. So the answer is how much? 8. GCD is 8. So that's why it is divisible by 8. Shortcut. Do you want method? Do you want method? If you want method, I will explain method also. See, JE purpose is this. Boards you don't have in board. This topic in class 12th. You don't have. So no need of doing this. If you want, I'll explain one question. Okay, one question I'll explain. That is 9 power 7 plus 9 power n plus 7. Can I write 9 as, see, 9 you have to think in that way, 8 should be comes. So 8 plus 1, 1 plus 8. Correct? 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 to the power of n. Correct? So I can expand this one, what I get NC 0. 1 power anything is 1. Plus n here n NC 1. 8 plus NC2, 8 square plus so and so plus NCN 8 power n. Correct? And this what I get here, this whole thing 8 common. So plus I can write how much? 7. Correct? So what I can write here, NC0 is how much? 1. Right? And plus this whole part is dividing by 8. 8 I can take common. So NC1 plus NC2 8 plus so and so NCN 8 power n minus 1. So it is already multiple of 8. Means it is divisible by 8. Means what is the remainder you are getting here? 1 is the remainder getting here. And outside what you have? 7. So 1 plus 7 how much? 8. This is method wise. Okay, you can do a step like this also. What do you write here? 8 into NC1 plus NC2 8 plus so and so NCN 8 power n minus 1, and this 7 that plus 1 is plus 8, and this is already multiple of 8, so remainder will be 8. Means it is divisible by 8. Means I can take 8 overall common. So it means 8 is multiple of that. Means 8 is divisible that. So if I take 8 common, overall it is getting common. So it is divisible by 8. See third one. So third one question, see that. Yeah. First method only better. So what is there here? 3 to the power of 2n plus 1 plus 2 to the power of n plus 2 is divisible by dash. Here it is now you have, but they won't give, na? Right. So what do you do here? N is equal to 1 you substitute. If I substitute n is equal to 1, what I get here? 3 to the power of 3. 3 power 3 plus 2 power 3. That is how much? 3 power 3. 27. 27 plus 8. 27 plus 8. 35. Okay. Now n is equal to 2 you substitute. So 3 power 2 into 2 plus 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2. So that is 3 power 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 power 4. 3 power 5 how much? 243. Very good. 243 plus 2 power 4 16. Correct? So if you add this I get 259. Correct? So HCF of these both, HCF of 35 and 259. So 35 divided by 259, what I am going to get? 35, 5 3s are 15, no, 7 3s are 21, okay, 8 3s are 24, 8 we'll see, 8 5s are 40, 0, 8 3s are 24, more it is coming, 35 into 7, 7 5s are 35, 245, sure. So 7s are 245. So how much I am going to get here? 14, right? 14 divided by 35. 14 2s are 28. 7 I get. 7 divided by 14. 7 2s are 14. Remainder 0. HCF is 7. So answer is 7 divisible by 7. So easy trick is good. Okay. Understand?